Hi guys, I hope you had a great weekend and are doing well. Just wanted to take a moment to show you what we're doing this week in English class. So thank you for your hard work last week, digging deeper into those poems. You guys did a really nice job of finding those deeper meanings. Today we're going to look at week 2 of poetry, which is now writing a little bit more of poetry on your own. All right. So this week we'll be creating a poetry portfolio. The calendar below has your work for the week. Just like last week, you will find an objective, directions, lessons, and an activity. Remember guys, we're only going to work for 20 minutes at a time on this, and anytime you get stuck, please, please, please email me or Mrs. S or Miss Longboy, and their emails are right here, and we can get you help as soon as you need it, okay? So make sure you're following along with that. All right, so if we look at our week, just a couple of things you need to know. On Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be focusing on free verse poetry. Just like last week, you're going to see some directions here. There will be a screencast listed for your lesson, some examples, and then your activity. The screencast will be more specific on what that looks like, okay? But that's going to be Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be doing what's called a haiku poem. And again, the screencast is going to be pretty specific on how to do that with you. And then down here, you'll be writing your own haikus, okay? Just like before, you're going to share those with me. On Friday, we're going to have the chance to share with everybody in our class. Since we're not in class together, right, we usually would do that. So our directions are here today. We're going to pick any poem that we've written. It could be from last week, it could be from this week, it could be one you wrote, that morning. That's fine. And we're going to be sharing our poems on Flipgrid. So no lesson that day, but instead you can listen to each other, look at each other's poems, or maybe your favorite line from your poem, and respond to your classmates, kind of to wrap up our poetry unit. All right, so those are the directions for the week. Please, please, please reach out the moment you need help, and we will get you some help. And I'm looking forward to some more poetry with you guys.